Hello guys, so I want to make carrot soup. Yeah, it's my first time making it, and let's see how it goes. So in this plate we have carrot, already cleaned, washed carrot. I have one tomato, I have some peppers, I have onions, I have garlic, I have ginger. So all of this right now I will be pouring it into a pot. I will be giving it a cook, like I'll be cooking it for like about 10 minutes. Then let's see how it goes. Keep watching. Okay, so guys, it's already cooked. We've already cooked the carrots. As you can see, the steam is a little bit soft now, so I'll be transferring it into the blender. So everything is already in the blender now. I'll be blending it. So our carrot soup is now ready to be taken. Oh my god, I love the consistency, and it's so delicious, tasty and spicy. Oh my god, I will be making this again. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.